Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I have a different kind of video. It is the aftermath of going to the grocery store and doing some meal prepping. Just figured I would switch it up a bit and show you what I've been prepping today and what I now have on hand so that you guys can get an idea of what my meal plan has become. So let's start over here in the freezer. So my daughter still has quite a bit of meatballs left. This is chicken thighs, and then this is, I think, some bacon, and then she's got breakfast sausage. Down here in the bottom, we have our deer meat and another little package of bacon. The next shelf, we have all of our frozen veggies, and then the meat that's towards the front, that's all burger. And then we do have some Texas cheese toast. And then up here I've got the leftover buns from last week. My daughter didn't end up taking the meatball subs, so I threw those in the freezer. Still have these blueberries, and we have 2 pizzas left. We always do pizza and a movie on Friday night. It's my daughter and I, it's our mommy and daughter night. So we have 2 pizzas left. Up here in the top shelf, I have done a lot of meal prepping. So I did instant pot beans, which was, for the most part, 1 cup of beans and I think it was 2 to 3 cups worth of water. And then I did broth, so some better than bouillon. And you can find recipes online as to how to make instant pot beans, but I do have, I'll go over this in a second, but I do have some biscuits left. These are dinner rolls, so I did make I have 2 bags of pinto beans, 2 bags of black beans. This is fried rice that I ended up making. I made rice in my Instant Pot and finally used the mixed veggie bag. So I have that. This is just plain brown rice. This is lentils that I made in my Instant Pot. And then these last 2 are Great Northern beans that I made in the Instant Pot. So I have a lot of options for this week. I can do beans on tortillas. I do have tostadas that I got this week. I can do fried rice with some soy sauce, lentils, so many options here. So that's what I've been doing most of this morning. And then in the fridge, we ended up getting a huge thing of water, but my daughter did get Simply Peach for breakfast to drink. And then I have iced tea back there, and then of course milk and my creamer. Down here is what I've been prepping. So I have 5 containers here of the cottage cheese that I had left and topped it with crushed pineapple. So I ended up using one of the cans that I had on hand. This is overnight oats. I made 4 jars. So it has about half a cup plus a quarter of oats, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and just a small handful of the Nut Stop dried blueberries. I thought that would be good. And then we do have bread that my daughter ended up getting last week, and then a few Lunchables still. That I feel like those Lunchables are going to be in there forever. We did get some cookies. We ended up making cookies last night. You guys should have seen that video already. And then tons of cheese, and then tortillas. So like I said, I can wrap up some beans in a tortilla, put some cheese on it, call it good. Chewy's food is down here, and then I have 3 extra bottles of creamer. We have lots of eggs on hand. Drinks, we did end up getting a huge case of water. My daughter got some Gatorade. She still has lemonade down here. This is lettuce and some onion, and then down here is a bag of potatoes. In terms of condiments, I did end up picking up some salsa to go along with the tortillas and beans that I'll be eating this week. And then my daughter did get some cinnamon rolls. So we're still doing good on our condiments and didn't really need to pick much up, just the salsa. So my meal plan this week is to eat overnight oats for breakfast, which I ate up all of the oats. Now I need to go buy some more. Snacks is cottage cheese. Lunches and dinners are going to be wraps mostly. So beans, cheese, lettuce, wrapped up in burritos, or I can always use, back here I have those carb balance mission carb balance tortillas back there. And then on Friday we'll have a pizza. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video just to get a look of what I have now that we've gone shopping and how my meal plan has evolved. My original meal plan was, for me, oats, which I did make, cereal, biscuits, and PB toast, which I can still do, fried rice, that's what I ended up cooking, potatoes and veggie. I haven't cooked the potatoes yet, but I need to still do that. I'll cook those in my Instant Pot. We'll have pizza on Friday, and then pasta and bread I'm not going to end up doing because I ended up making so many dried beans. I'm just going to do burrito wraps, and then I won't do cottage cheese because I did move that to the snack side. And then for my daughter, you know, it's hard to say exactly what she'll do this week. I don't know how much she's actually going to be here. She's enjoying her week of freedom before school starts back. So, you know, this is the meal plan I had for her. Cereal, eggs, biscuits, and oatmeal for breakfast. For lunch and dinner, sandwiches, mac and cheese, pizza, pasta, and meatball subs. I don't know how much of this she will actually eat, but let me know down in the comments if your meal plan evolves like mine has. It seems like I always have grand ideas at the beginning of the week, and then by the time I do my shopping and then get around to making the items during the week, I tend to stick with the simpler items, the things that I can just throw together really quickly. So let me know down in the comments if that happens to you too. That is everything for this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.